This test is all about proportions, and for questions 11 and 12, they give you that 1 inch is equal to 575 miles, so 575 miles is going to go above 1 inch. Okay, and then we have to figure out what 3 1/4 inches would be equal to in actual distance. So 3.14 will it go on the top or the bottom? Well, we're talking about the model, so the model is on the bottom here, the model will go on the bottom here, 3 1/4. And so I think it would make sense that we would have to multiply this by the same thing we multiplied this by. So we're going to have to multiply this by 3 1/4, or 3.25. Then for this one, for number 12, you can use the same start, because we're using the same map scale, and we're going to put it over 7.5 inches, and we'll do the same thing. We multiplied by 7.5 to get here, so we'll have to multiply this by 7.5. And so our answers for 11 and 12 are 1,868 3/4 miles. And for number 12, it was 4,312.5 miles. Again, you can check by saying, does that make sense? If 1 inch equals all this many miles, a lot many more miles, would it make sense that we'd have this many miles for them? And yes, it does.